Right, the weather 50-50, but I'm not going to let that stop me, as I'm going to get the train up to Arnside. It's about a 20-minute train journey, and I'm going to go in some woods. There's an old tower. The quality of the photographs will all depend on the light and my creativity during the day. So let's go, let's get on that train and head towards Arnside. You know you look south, you can't get over that bridge. We've got a detour that'll add around about a mile on to your journey. I've already missed the first train because I forgot my flask and a couple of apples, which will be going now 8:22. The next train is 8:50. Can I make it? Because the next one after that is not for another hour and 20 minutes. That is where I am heading, and the weather looks to be clearing up. Should be there in about half an hour. Much of today's day out will depend on the weather, and keeps coming overcast, and then the sun comes out, and then once again overcast. So let's hope when I get there, when in the distance it's a little bit brighter, that the weather plays its part and allows a little bit of light to shine through.
Oxford, Silverdale, Arnside, Grangeover Sands, Kent's Bank, Carlton Cartmel, Ulverston, Dalton, Roos and Barrow and Furness.
Right, I'm just going to go and have a look round on the bay, and then I'm going to head up to Arnside Knott and an old tower. I scrapped going over that bridge because it came to a dead end. So, my little plan, talking to a nice lady who said head into the village, turn left at the shop. She thinks it's called the Mace, but she can't remember. Up Silverdale Road and head up to Arnside Knott. From Arnside Knott you can come back down and head to Arnside Tower, which is through a farm, but you have got access. Will I get that far? Who knows? Because when I get my camera out, find a nice little wooded area, you can become sidetracked. Anyway, I'm looking forward to it. As for what photographs I'm going to take, who knows? A little bit of blue sky coming through. Let's hope that the dullness keeps away. This is a nice little chippy, and they put a little bit of effort in. Is he dead? Is he dead? Crispy bacon, resting fat. Percy Tubbs loved his chips on his wife and kids too. Don't know what that means. Barry D alive. Right, I'm going to walk along the coastline. I was chatting to a guy on the pier who told me you can get this way and then just take a left and walk up, so it's a little bit more scenic. So I'm going to take his advice. I'm loving it round here, it's beautiful. All these little alleyways, big trees. So I'm heading now to Arnside Knott. I took a few snaps, I'll put them up now. The light couldn't be any better at this moment in time. Fantastic. I reckon it's about a mile from here. I've been before, but maybe 20 years ago, so I can't really remember. But it's a sort of place where you want to keep stopping to take a snap of the buildings and the trees and everything. You can't, because you will never get to where you're going. Now, see what I mean by getting sidetracked. As I was walking up to the knot, there's that invitation to have a quick look in there. I was talking to an old guy just down the road. He said you can cut through this field. He said it's more picturesque. Or do I carry on to the car park? I don't know what to do. I've took a shot of that tree on its own, see what that looks like, and let's have a look over here. What a beautiful day. I couldn't have asked for a better day. It's endless. Look at that wood down there. You could come here on another day and just explore endlessly in that wood there. Right, I assume that this is the top of Arnside Knott. See what it says? Trig point adopted by Arnside Rambler circa 1997. Easy walk up. So now I'm going to take a few shots. Nice tree ahead, a nice gnarly tree there. Then I'll get myself a cappuccino and an apple because I'm on a diet, and then head down to Arnside Tower and have a look around there. Fantastic, fantastic day. Right, as you can see in the distance behind the farm is a little tower. We'll have a look around there and maybe in the woods around it, and then make my way back into Arnside. Oh, I got myself into a bit of difficulty going down here. It's too steep and slippy. Oh, I don't know how far I've got, maybe a third of the way, and I was on my bottom sliding down. I've had to put my camera in my bag and my tripod, which was steadying me coming down. I've got to go back up there. I've been around the lakes, I've been on some walks, but I can say this little stretch here is the scariest I've ever been on. I don't know if it's the leaves and the shingle and the wet soil, and it's treacherous. Treacherous. I've got to get back to the top, and I'm going to go back down the way I came. Oh my. Oh, that was difficult. I'm not even up yet. I'm not even up. It's a bit scary, to be honest. Right, I'm going to put this camera away because I need my hands to grip things. Oh, it's just fucking slippy as well. Oh. There's nowhere to put your feet. Do you know what I mean? any stones to grab hold of. There's a path. Oh, let's try and get to that path. Oh, come on. Oh, Jesus Christ. What an idiot. What an idiot. Ah, it's not so far now, I don't think. But when I get to the top of here, I have to have a coffee. Look at this tree. Mistake of the day, son, mistake of the day. You fool. You see, one slip sideways. Alright, you're not going to fall to your death, but you'll slip quite a bit. Especially when you have that camera out. That was making it harder. That was making it harder work. Oh. A woman up me's told me, she came up with her son. She said, don't go down there, love, it's slippy. And I looked at her and I thought, oh, you've got a pair of trainers on. But it's hard enough coming up, 5 times harder going down. Right, I'm knocking it off. If I didn't have that bit of experience and a little bit of fitness that I've gained from the lakes, I would have panicked down there. I reached a point I couldn't get up and I couldn't get down. So I gathered myself. I got stitched, man. I let my fitness go, put my weight on. This is what you get. Fucking eating all fucking chocolate and shite. That's where I wanted to go. No, I don't know. I don't know, I might give that a miss to Dav. I've used all my energy getting down there and up. Even if I can go that way around, it's still, I don't know. I've got to get back somewhere around the bottom of here. I don't know. How's that, lad? No chance getting down there.
Oh, is it too steep?
Oh, it's slippy. Oh man, what a view though. Turned out to another morning video. Hey. Oh. I've chatted to a few people and I know the way to get to it, which is along this path, turn left at a bench, he says. So I'll have a look where that bench is. And I don't know what to do. I just do not know what to do. There's a train at 3:30, a train at 4:30 and 5:30 roughly, but I want to get back because City's on tonight. And not only that, I'm a bit tired with scrambling up that big banking, but it's endless. I've lost the light a bit though now, but it's still endless. It's endless when I get my zoom lens. Oh my word. Right, I've decided to make it to the tower, the dreaded tower. It's only 400 metres long here. Right, to get to this little tower, which is up there, got to walk through this farm. Not 100% certain which is a route. Maybe through this gate here. Maybe it that way. I think it'd be this way. So here's the old tower on top of the hill, nothing special. I don't know why it's here, who built it. If you look on Google, and I look on Google and find out. As you can see, it's quite a substantial building. Well, it was, but the walls are thick. And you can see there, that chunk's just fallen right over. I will find out why and who built it. Right, let's sum up. What a fantastic day. I reckon I've got some corking pictures. And not only that, been out in the fresh air. I've walked almost 10 miles by the time I get back to this railway station, which is just down here. Also, it has given me another opportunity to come back again in the winter time on the train. It's only a fiver. I know now the best routes to come and get some more photography. It's limitless in that woods, limitless. So yeah, my old legs are aching a little bit. I'm ready to get home, put my feet up, have my tea and watch City in the Champions League. Should win tonight. We're away, I think it's Sporting. Some nice houses around here. A little bit of coin around here. But what I have noticed, everyone I've met today, all the locals, so friendly and helpful. Every one of them. This guy's got 2 springers here. Alright, Paul.
Alright.
I used to have a springer. They're nice, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.